Welcome to the French Naval Airbase of Hyères in southern France. We are here as part of the Euronaval press trip to learn more about some of the aircraft deployed by the French Navy.
Hi, my name is David. I'm a lieutenant in the French Navy and the aircraft commander of the Falcon 50, which is behind me. It's a maritime surveillance aircraft. We are a crew of 5. We do missions for up to 6 hours and 2,000 miles from our base. Our main missions is to provide information with, firstly, all the ships that are within 48 hours of navigation from the French coastline. And then when we deploy outside of France, we also do anti-piracy, anti-drug trafficking, and generally anti-trafficking operations. We are from the 24th Squadron, which is based in Brittany on the Naval Air Base of Lanbuoy. We have a permanent deployment here, so year-round we always have one crew and one aircraft, which is here, and but our base is in Lorient. There are 3 tactical operators. One is the radar operator. He has the radar which detects all the ships and has it coincide with all the known merchant maritime traffic. He also has a infrared camera and the ability to detect the other aircrafts near us. He works closely with 2 tactical operators which do some observations and some correlations of all the radar plots he may have, and that can be transmitted directly by chat to our headquarters.
I'm Lieutenant Commander Olivier, previous tactical coordinator on Atlantic 2 and now flight test engineer at the French Flight Test Center, CEPA. So this is an Atlantic 2 maritime patrol aircraft specially designed for these maritime missions. So we're conducting anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, strategic support to our SSBN, and maritime surveillance mission, like fighting against drug smuggling, search and rescue, all kind of maritime mission. And this aircraft is also deployed in operation in the conflict we have in Africa or things like this. So this is the kind of sonobuoys we can launch from the Atlantic 2. It's a little passive sonar thrown by these holes in flight, and so you've got a parachute going out, goes in the water, there's a little sonar, goes down deep, and we can hear what the submarines are doing in the sea and track them with these buoys. At the rear of the aircraft you have magnetic anomaly detection. So when the submarine is going in the sea, it modifies the electromagnetic field of the Earth, and we detect this modification with this sensor. So this part of this aircraft is where we can carry all our armaments. So we can carry NH90 torpedoes against submarine, the AM39 Exocet air-to-surface missile against surface ship, and laser-guided GBU bombs. Normal crew is composed of about 14 people. In the front we have a pilot and a mission commander and a flight engineer. And here in the tactical part, you have a tactical coordinator and about 9 sensor operators. So we're actually renovating all the tactical part of the ATL2, especially the sensors. So we'll have the brand new Searchmaster radar from Thales. We're also replacing our acoustics with new new processing and new capabilities developed by Thales also. And we're also changing all the old screen that are inside by a new color touch screen, which give an easy access to all the new functionality.
So I'm Lieutenant Bastien. I'm one of the pilots of Panther, Step 2. It has been recently renovated. The first delivery was in 2011, and the last flight of the Step 1 was in last February. We have now also a glass cockpit with night vision goggles compatibility. We have a tactical system, a new flight management systems, and also a few upgrades in radio and navigation systems who fits now with the new civil aviation regulations. The main missions are mainly the anti-surface warfare, the maritime surveillance around the naval force, and also all the support to special forces.
My name is Remy, I'm captain from the 31 Squadron. NH90 on my back is a multi-role mission helicopter. We can have ASW, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, electronic warfare. We got a very multi-role helicopter new in the force. Okay, so here we have the two tactical consoles on the back in the cargo of the helicopter, which can here we can use all the combat system on board the helicopter. So we have the command of the sonar, the radar, electronic warfare, full numeric radar. All equipment in the helicopter could be controlled here. Here you have the dipping sonar built by Thales underwater system, the sonar flash. And on my back you can see different sonobuoys which can be dropped by the helicopter, automatically dropped by the helicopter. NH90 is the last helicopter we got in force, and I think it's still the last helicopter, the only helicopter with a fly-by-wire. So it's, even if it's heavy helicopter, 11 tons, it's very quick response in flight and very stable.